Hi there, DIYers and YouTubers. So today we're going to show you a couple of useful tools using AI to create great content for your YouTube videos as well as graphics. Stay tuned. Okay, so first thing you do is want to come over to Bing. Just go to bing.com. You can use any AI you want, but I'm using Bing just because it's free and it's easy to use. So after you come here, if you don't see the Copilot on the list, go to the three ellipses there and then click on Copilot. Copilot is going to be what's used to generate our graphics. So basically it says ask me anything. So let's say you want to create, say, a penguin, a patriotic penguin for whatever reason. So create a patriotic penguin. Did I spell it right? That's right. Holding an American flag. So let's see what it does. I'll try to create that. What it'll do, it'll give you 4 renditions of it. And if you don't like what it creates, you can say try again, or you can give it some alternate descriptions, and it does a pretty good job. So it's right there. So we got 4 different patriotic penguins. Now the great thing about this is you can then go in and of course you can save this, but if you click on it, it'll also allow you to take it into its online editor, and you can do some additional things with it, like remove the background and see. It's like here you can edit in Designer. You can download it. We'll go ahead and edit in Designer. Take it in there because it's like, well, I really didn't want that star background because I want to have a transparent background so I can use it for something that needs to be transparent. So it'll pull it up in the editor, and give it a second here. Okay, so like over here, so you can remove background. So let's go ahead and tell it to remove background. So then we'll just have the penguin with the flags. And voila. So it's got a lot of different things. So I was really surprised, impressed. I've used it for actually all 3 of my YouTube channels for the avatar, the logo. Okay, so now this I'm using ChatGPT just because I've got an account with them, and I've been using it for various things. So let's say you wanted to, you created a YouTube. Actually, I'll tell you what, let's do this because I'm going to post this on YouTube. So I want ChatGPT to give me to generate a title, description, and tags for posting this video on how to use AI for creating graphics and content. So I'll just say, you don't even have to ask things. You can just give it like short information and it'll do it. So I'll say title, description, and tags with commas. I tell it with commas, so a lot of times it doesn't give me the commas, then I have to go and add it myself, and it just takes more time, so I'll just put it in there. So title, description, and tags with commas about video. Let's go ahead and say YouTube so it knows. YouTube video on how to use AI to create graphics and content. So I just put that in there. So right here, so I'm going to use this exactly for my for posting this video up. Oh, so see, it didn't give me the hashtags for the tags. So use pound with tags. So it'll come back and it'll give me the same thing. Now it's got the hashtag. So sometimes you do have to be specific on what that does. A lot of times it'll understand and know what it's for. So I figured since I told it for YouTube that it would know that it would need the hashtags for the tags, but evidently it forgot from the last time I was conversing with it. Anyway, so here we go. I've got a great title, great description. Of course, I can go through and just, change a little thing, but see, this saves you a lot of time when you're trying to think of what to do for the description. This like does it for you. And so again, you can go in and just edit, tweak whatever you want. And if you can say, give a better description on creating graphics with AI. So now it'll come in and it'll provide a better description. So you can contour your results by giving it more information and what you want to focus more on. So it's a great way to save time from having to sit there and try to come up with something yourself, being creative. You can feed it with what you are wanting it to come up with, and it does a really good job. So if you haven't used AI, give this a try, and I'm sure you'll like it. So please like and subscribe below if you like this content, and comment below. And until then, I'll see you on the next one.